Alright, so look at this shit. I reversed into my gate, right? So it's kind of bent over here, as you can see, and it's gonna cost me some money to fix it. My real estate agent is gonna be pissed. Welcome to another video, boys and girls and non-binary people. Is your humble and gracious host Tima. In this video, I'm gonna talk about how much money I made in Airbnb. It's less than a week I started Airbnb. Last week I had my first ever host on Friday, right? I'm gonna talk about how much I made. Alright, I'll show you the house. I've made some modifications ever since I made my last video, which should be here somewhere. So this is the room that I'm giving out. As you can see, I still haven't cleaned it. I give them these little booties too. It's very cute. I got the closet and the bathroom. It's very tip top and clean. Got the shower and everything. So this is the room that I'm currently doing Airbnb on. It's just this room, and I usually charge about $50 a night. That's my current price at the moment. Of course, you guys saw this room. So my computer room. This is where all the magic happens, Oh, come on. I went outside in my slippers and it's all dirty now. Fuck. And this is my garage. My laundry room. Guests have the access to the washing machine as well. Of course, this is my kitchen. They have access to this one as well. Ignore the stuff. They're all gonna be gone when guests are here. And my fridge. So this shelf is for the guests. This one is mine. They can also use the freezer. I don't usually have anything. And of course, this is the living area. Last time I didn't have any chairs. I didn't have the TV, I think. But now it's all sorted. It looks nice. And of course, this is my bathroom. I'm not gonna show you my room because it's a mess. Okay. So let's get back to the computer and check out how much money I made. Okay, so I'm sitting at my computer. The room is a mess. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys my earnings in less than a week. I'm actually really surprised. I did not expect to get this kind of money. I thought maybe it would be like $50 or $60. I guess I was wrong. Alright, so this is my profile, if you may. And this is the my reservations. If you go, this is gonna be your interface. So I got 2 more upcoming in 2 days. They're all one night stays. And then I had 2 more. Alright, so if you go to completed ones, let me remove this. Yeah, if you go to completed one, you can see I had 2 past ones. Alright, and as you can see the amounts over here. So let me go into insights and earnings. So this is how much money I made in the of course in this April. So I posted my ad last Thursday, I think, Thursday or Wednesday, and I got the approval. Like, they published the ad on Thursday, and I immediately got a guest, and it started coming in. The last weekend was really busy because it was the Easter weekend, so many people came to Ballarat. I live in Ballarat, and so I guess this might be why I got this much money in a really short period of time. But yeah, so I'm expected $334. I'm really happy about this. Can't complain. And of course, yeah, so this is it. And so I'll show you guys my listing as well. How do you go to the listing? Uh-oh. I should have turned off the video. I didn't. Okay. So yeah, $334. And where's my listing? Okay. So you go to listings. This is my main listing. The Alfred, private room in Alfred and Ballarat. All right. It's kind of a posh name. That's, you know, I guess you gotta be a little bit fancy when you do Airbnb. And of course you have to have a description, number of guests. This room can only comfortably have two guests, so that's why I had like the number of guests 2, because it's mainly suited for a couple or a single person, you know what I'm saying. So I can't host 3 people, but I would love to give this entire house, which is something that I want to do. I'm gonna be doing it, but yeah, I mean, this is a good start. And of course I got these nice fancy photos. The bed changes like pretty much every time, so these photos, like this look might not always be there, but it's always gonna look nicely. So let's go to the pricing. So my nightly price, as you can see over here, is minimum is $50, maximum is $149. So there's this thing called smart pricing in Airbnb. What they do is, you know, the algorithm actually analyzes all the listings in the area and they come up with the price, right? So I guess it's really worth it as well, but of course I put the minimum as 50 because, you know, otherwise I can't make a profit. So I put 50, and it's like the average price in the area. The lowest is 35 or something, but 35, you can't get a room like this for 35 in this area. So with the room and the, you know, it has an attached bathroom, so it goes for 50. So this video is pretty much about how much I made. Alright, I'm not going to talk too much into it, but I will make a whole another video that shows you a guide as to, you know, how can you do the listing, what you need to know, and what I learned. Actually, I got help from Michelle and Narelle. I also met, Michelle is a friend of mine who lives in Ballarat. I met her through Airbnb, and she's also a millionaire who's doing Airbnb. She's got like properties all over the place, and she has been really helpful. So if you're watching this video, Michelle, thank you so much. And Narelle as well, one of her friends, and they came and helped me out in the very first day, which was a huge deal. I didn't know what to do. Of course, I'll talk about all the nitty-gritty stuff, what the process going into the you know, making a listing, and then how to price it and everything. But this video is just to showcase how much money I made in less than a week. So I'll see you guys in another video. Until then, have a nice day.